Hi YouTubers, welcome to my channel. My name's Miss Wangoi Muithathi, and today I'd like to talk about smart ways to save money in 2024 without sacrificing your lifestyle. Some of you love their lifestyles. They don't want to change anything about it. So we are going to discuss a few things on that. Maintain your lifestyle, but at the same time, save some money. Stay tuned. First off, switch to high yield savings account. Don't just save your money in any account. Don't allow your money to just sit in an account that doesn't yield anything. Find some time, go to your bank and talk to them about the kind of account that you have. Don't put your money in a fixed account. Don't put your money in a current account. Ask them for a high yield savings account. Ask yourself, where your money is it generating more money or is it losing? Try and find a bank that offers good interest rates. An account with high interest, low risk, lower fees, and one that provides easy access to your funds. Make sure your money is giving birth to more money. Don't allow your money to be eaten by inflation. Wacha pesa yako izaane. Another point is cancel or pause unused subscriptions. Review every subscription that you have. For example, apps or any streaming services. If you're not using it, stop it or cancel it. We are trying to look for potential cuts. Don't overlook any subscription. You might think canceling one subscription, that's less money. But if you have like 4 to 5 subscriptions that you keep assuming, when you put that money together, that's a lot of money. Recurring charges can drain your pockets. Remember, if you don't cancel, you'll be charged. We don't want that. So cancel anything that you're not using. The third way is try and cook more at home. Of course, with budget-friendly recipes. Cooking at home doesn't necessarily mean you cook things like githeri. People have a mentality of food from home is boring. You can always spice it up, Find new recipes. Buying ingredients from scratch will cost you less. The same food you're eating out will cost you so much money, yet you can learn how to fix it at the comfort of your kitchen. So learn new recipes and buy your own ingredients. Believe in yourself. Eating out is convenient, but it's very pricey. If it's done once in a while, that's okay. When we say cook at home, we don't mean you compromise on quality. You can still cook good quality food and nutritious food at home. Which is best because I think you will incorporate, you'll use the ingredients that you choose fresh. Actually, when you make your own meals, you'll give yourself the best. Cooking your own food also stimulates your creativity. You never know how creative you are until you try. You might end up falling in love with. Cooking meals at home also allows you to spend more time with family or friends. You also control the amount of serving that you feel is comfortable with yourself. Unlike when you're eating at restaurants, they control the servings for you. Another way is shop from local vendors or markets. It is always nice to promote local business. But you'd be surprised, local vendors and markets, they also have nice and good quality things. From food to clothes, you name it. And the best thing about shopping from local vendors is, for example, if you're buying something online, you can't tell the quality, you can't feel the texture, you don't know until it gets to you. But when you shop from a local vendor, you get to go to the physical shop, whatever it is that you're buying, you get to choose for yourself from the varieties that they have. So when you're purchasing it, when you're buying it, it is something that you've actually seen, you've felt, and you are okay with it. So shop from local vendors, from food to clothes to shoes. Support local market. This way, you will still maintain your lifestyle and it will be cheaper, unlike buying things online and shipping them. Remember, there's always shipping fees. Shopping locally, you will get quality goods at a cheaper price. You will get better service shopping locally because of the one-on-one interaction with the business people. For instance, you go to an open air market, soko. You interact one-on-one with the vendors. You create a relationship through that. So, for instance, if there's fresh goods that come to the market, they can always call you or they can send some things your way. Assessing products before you buy them gives you power over your money. Another point is shop smarter with discounts and coupons. If you are buying things online, try and find online deals, like great online deals. There's apps which have coupons, and also take advantage of seasons like Black Friday. You can save up your money and you want a nice fridge. Instead of going for it when it's full price, wait for that season like the Black Friday moments and go purchase whatever it is that you want at that moment. The price will be better. So you'll be able to maintain your lifestyle, but at the same time, you're saving some money. Unlike when you go and buy it on a normal day, full price. So the person who buys at Black Friday and the one who buys on a normal day end up spending different amount of money on the same product. My last point is negotiate in deals, especially on daily expenses. These things we buy every day, like food. Bargain. Even transport. Before you panda matatu, ask them to the best price. If you can bargain, bargain. If you can be able to save some money, do it. Don't feel embarrassed about bargaining. I bargain. I bargain. I would always look for the best deal. Sometimes I feel like I am embarrassing the people around me, but I know what I know. I know what I'm doing. Please, let's try and maintain the bargaining culture. Learn how to bargain. Don't be calling your mother when you're going to buy a car because she's the one who knows how to bargain. Learn how to bargain. When you learn how to bargain, it leads you to significant long-term financial gains. Be willing to walk away if the deal is bad. If the price is too high and you feel it is high, walk away. If in your head there's a certain amount you want to spend and deal inakataa kuingiana, walk away. For that moment, walk away, go sit down and plan again. Negotiating is a good character to have. When someone is negotiating, it doesn't mean they don't have the money. It's just that they believe they can get a better deal for the same goods or services. So don't be afraid to negotiate price on things. Well, what's your favorite money saving strategy that doesn't feel like a sacrifice for you? Let us know in the comments section. That's it for us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you're notified once we upload other videos. We hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.